Why am I giving this check of $10,000 to another investor? Because they just wholesaled me this property. Wholesaling is a great strategy in real estate investing because you don't need to have any of your own money. You never need to buy the house. You don't have to qualify for a bank loan. You don't even need to have any professional licenses. You don't need to be a realtor or anything. And basically what a wholesaler is, they're simply a middleman. They put buyers and sellers together. So in this property right here, a wholesaler found this seller and found this property. He actually lives 2 hours away from me. Okay, he lives in a completely different city, but he found this property in my market and structured a deal with the seller that he got the deal written out, and it was all on a buy, sell and everything. He said, I'm gonna buy your property for X amount of dollars. Then what he did is he simply found me. He called me and said, hey, I've got this property under contract. Here are the numbers. Does this work for you? And I looked at the numbers and said, yes, I would be interested in stepping into your shoes. I want to buy this deal instead of you. So what he did is he simply assigned his contract to buy the house to me. It was the same exact deal, okay? I paid the seller the same exact amount of money as she was expecting, but instead of him buying the house, I did. And in return, I paid him $10,000 to do that because what he was doing, he was providing something valuable to me. He found the deal, the numbers worked. It's something I didn't have to go out and find and do myself. I did a little bit of research and due diligence, but I made sure the numbers worked. And that was a valuable thing for me. So what I did is I paid him $10,000 simply to step into his shoes. He made $10,000 within a matter of a few weeks. And by the way, he's got a day job. He's got a full-time job. So this was completely supplemental income for him. He just found this deal, found me, put it together. He never needed to buy the property. He never needed to have any money. He simply made the transaction happen and put the deal together. So wholesaling is a great strategy if you're looking to get started in real estate, or if you just have a deal that you don't really want, maybe you don't have time for. I've actually been on both sides of the wholesaling transaction. I've wholesaled properties before, and I've bought houses from wholesalers like this. So make sure you take the time to learn how wholesaling real estate works, and maybe one day I'll be writing you a check for $10,000.